Hi everyone. I'm going to talk a little bit today about organization and time management in grad school. My name is Nimota Nasiru. I'm a PhD student in the engineering education program. We all get 24 hours each day to get our tasks done, but sometimes we fall behind. In situations such as that, we begin to feel stressed, worried, we don't know where to start, and we can feel really overwhelmed. I try to make sure not to get to this point by following the following 2 S's and 2 P's. The first S is sleep. When I find that I'm taking longer than usual to get tasks done, I take a nap. And at the end of the day, I turn off my phone, I turn off my computer, and I allow my body to sleep. Second thing is I create a daily schedule before I start the day. I take 10 to 15 minutes, pull out a scrap of paper, and write down what has to get done for the day and what I'd like to get done for the day. The third thing is choose a priority. I know I can't get everything done on the list, but I take note of what has to get done and the steps I need to get those things done. And finally, make sure to say please. I'm learning as I get older, I can't do everything by myself. And it helps if you can understand to ask people around you, your colleagues, your friends, your professors, when you're in need of help. And always start the sentence or the request with please. Good luck to you and take care of yourself.